elastic bracelets like this. What I like to use is this type of elastic. It's very soft and it retains its stretchiness much better than elastomer. And what I do is it's really too soft, and I cut open, have leftover tiger tail, or you can use silver wire. And what I do here is I just do this, fold it over. You don't need a lot. So it goes over the bead. It's just an apparatus to guide it. And then I double up the elastic, and I tie it through like this. Make sure that it's tight, but enough give. And then what I do is after that, I could tuck it into this side, or it's fine without. And I find that I just trim it, and there you have it.